In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code in Excel which can be scanned using your phone or clicked via a hyperlink. In our example, we want to create a QR code which takes us to the Excel Hub YouTube page when we click or scan the QR codes like this. To do this, we'll go into the Insert tab, click Get Add-ins, and then we'll type QR code. We'll select QR4Office, which is the QR code add-in, and then select Add and Continue. Next, we'll enter the URL we'd like to encode, which is the Excel Hub subscription link. This ensures that when someone scans the QR code using their phone, they'll be referred to this link. You can also change the size and color if you want. However, we'll keep it as it is and click Insert. Next, let's change the position and increase the size of the QR code. What we'll do as well is add the hyperlink by right-clicking the QR code and clicking Link. We'll then paste the hyperlink here and click OK. Now if you scan the QR code with your phone, it will bring you to the Excel Hub subscription page, or alternatively you can click the QR code, which takes you directly to the same page as well. So that's how you can create a QR code in Excel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and use the QR code to subscribe to the Excel Hub, or alternatively click the red subscribe button, whichever is easier. See you next time.